words, but boy, it don't feel right. What do you expect me to say? You know it's just a little too late. You take my hand and you say you've changed, but boy, you know you're begging, don't fool me, because to you, it's just a game. You know it's just a little too late. So let me on down. This time has made me strong. I'm starting to move on. I'm gonna say this now. Your chance has come and gone, and you know it's just too little too late, a little too wrong, and I can't wait for you know all the right things to say. You know it's just too little too late. You say you dream of my face, but you don't like me. You're just like the chase. To be real, it doesn't matter anyway. You know it's just a little too late. Yeah, it's just too little too late. I was young and in love. I gave you everything, but it wasn't enough. And now you wanna communicate. You know it's just a little too late. Go find someone else and letting you go. I'm loving myself. You got a problem, but don't come asking me for help, 'cause you know it's just too little too late, a little too wrong, and I can't wait for you know all the right things to say. You know it's just too little too late. You say you dream of my face, but you don't like me. You're just like the chase. To be real, it doesn't matter anyway. You know it's just too little too late. I can love with all of my heart, baby. I know I have so much to give. With a player like you, I don't have a prayer. That's the way to live. No, it's just too little too late.
She got married to a boy like you. She'd kick you out if she ever knew about all the you tell me that you do. Dirty, dirty boy. You know everyone is talking on the scene. I hear them whispering about the places that you've been and how you don't know how to keep your business clean. Mommy, don't go, daddy's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. He's sat back while she's dropping it. She be popping it, yeah, she put it down slowly. Oh, we go, he left his kids at home. We go, so he can get that. Mommy, don't go, daddy's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy.
Daddy, if you wanna drop the attic, give me love, give me Fendi, my Balenciaga daddy. You gon' need to bag it up, 'cause I'm spending on Rodeo. You can wish me back it up, I'll be gone in the AM. And he
can still hear you laugh in the back of the cab. We were drunk, it's been ages. Pick a fight with the driver, you're kind of a dick like that. Another one for the books and the punches were good. We were adding the pages. Drove away to a time and a place that I can't get back. And I didn't know I was watching you go. And you never said it, but you moved on without moving at all. You just don't call me anymore, and nothing happened. Can't even say there's something to ignore. You just don't call me anymore. I can still send a text and a meme. You don't check, but I do out of habit. Top spot, you're my favorite call. Tough love, we don't talk at all. I didn't know I was watching it go. And you never said it, but you moved on without moving at all. You just don't call me anymore, and nothing happened. Nothing happened. Can't even say there's something to ignore. Oh no, you just don't call me anymore. No, you don't call. You don't call me anymore. You don't call. You don't call me anymore. You don't call my number. I've been wondering where you are, 'cause I miss your voice. It's a mystery that you